Hello, conscious cowgirls and soul sisters. This is Annette, and also known as the Conscious Cowgirl, coming to you with our ride of the day. Hopefully we'll get to see the view again. The bugs are a little buggy. You can see part of the tree view here behind me. Hopefully you can see. I mostly just want you to hear the sounds and feel the nature of peace and calm in the forest. And you know, do you have bugs bugging you? There's always something that can bug us along our path, isn't there? So just remember to allow yourself to get out in nature, whatever that looks like for you. It can be a 20-minute walk at lunch, after work. This is the forest. Unfortunately, I think I missed the huge view of the valley, but I mean, look at that. If you want to manifest your dreams, there's always a way of finding some peace in your day. Let's go this way. See if I can see you. Joanne. There we go. It's a little bumpy. Hopefully YouTube can calm this out for us. So just enjoy the sounds of nature.